We go to the next criteria, that is 6.3.3. In the sixth criteria, the next metric happens to be average number of professional development and administrative training programs organized by the institution for teaching and non-teaching staff during the last 5 years. Here, what is the effort of the organization, of the management, to see to it that the staff is continuously being updated. These updations can be very small but very important updations. I wish to share a small update over here. We had a meeting with our staff members of the administrative section. Pune University still has a lot of communication that goes on in Marathi. A good number of softwares that time were available for typing, but these softwares did not match up with each other. For example, the software that the university had did not match up with the software that the organization had. So when something used to be sent over there, it could not be read. So for this, it was decided that we will be purchasing out those softwares which university has. After those softwares were purchased, there was a problem that the non-teaching staff, I mean to say the administrative staff, could not cope up with the new software. So training was needed over there. Now that training was asked by the non-teaching faculty in general, which included the administrative staff, which included the laboratory assistants, and which also included some other non-teaching faculty who uses computers. Now, this is a demand that comes from the organization. That particular training was hardly of a time duration of 2 hours or so, but that was provided, which helped in improvising the efficiency of the organization. Many such small programs can be counted out over here. It can include small trainings, it can include guest lectures, it can include lectures by the experts, it can include some general programs to boost up the morale of the organization, it can also include some kind of technology related sessions, it can include a faculty development program which may be going on for 8 days or 10 days. For example, our organization had conducted one faculty development program last year, which was with the permission of HRDC, which had a certification of HRDC Pune. Now here you are able to see that by having a certification from HRDC Pune, the program became a valid program. It went on for 60 hours, and its certificate also helps the individual teacher to go for his updation. So such kind of programs should be conducted by the organization to see to it that the teacher is constantly updated. The objective of this particular metric happens to be that there is a continuous small updation of every faculty member. It would mean that every month some or the other program is being conducted. Every 2 weeks a small program is being conducted and the faculties are being updated. This is about 6.3.3.